Oh yeah. What's going on, guys? My name is Kevin Griffith and this is the Holler Barbecue. Hey, today it's gonna be a little bit different video. I actually ordered some meat from Snake River Farms, which they're a premier meat producer over, they come out of Idaho around the Snake River area. They have Wagyu and some other high-end beef. I've done one video of them in the past. I did a big tomahawk ribeye and their meat's outstanding. But I ordered some stuff to do a video on the Blackstone, and I wanted to show you how it comes when you actually order it. This order is actually not that big. We'll show you what it is once we get into it, but it's 3 packages of 1 pound beef a piece. So 3 pounds of beef, and you can see the size of box they put it in as far as their shipping. So they do pretty good there. So let's go ahead and get into it. And then we'll go over what I paid for this and how long it took to get here. So just a little brochure of who they are and some summer, it's like some summer stuff. And like I said, this is a high-end place, but if you ever get a chance to get some of this stuff, man, it's outstanding. I mean, look at this one right here. Let's see if I can show you. Let's see if it'll focus in. So this is a splurge, just 215 bucks. It comes with 2 fillets, 2 New York Manhattans, and 2 sirloins. That's 215 bucks. So they are a really high-end place, but there's not that many places you can actually buy this type of meat from. And then just my packing slip. All right, so you can see here, they actually build a cooler out of the box itself. It's not like, I don't know if you ever ordered anything from Omaha Steaks or somewhere like that, you get this real thick styrofoam cooler. These guys, I think to cut down on cost, they actually produce their own cooler, and what they do is they take just some cardboard, and it has like an insulated material that just goes in. Basically, they create their own little cooler here. And it is packaged with dry ice, which I have a little bit left. Yep, I do have a nice block of dry ice still right here. Don't touch that. I'll probably be playing with this later. Now, as far as their shipping goes, I ordered this on Monday. It is now Thursday, and it's here. So pretty good turnaround time. It cost $10 for shipping, but I did go on and I found a coupon code from one of those, I think it was Honey, the web browser. It actually, tests codes to see, and I saved $4.50, I believe. So what they do, oh, I got a whole bunch more dry ice in here too. You can see a whole bunch of packs. There's actually four more blocks of dry ice in there, and I did read because of the COVID stuff that they were packing extra in here just in case. The shipping took a little bit extra time, so that it would still be frozen by the time I got to you. So let me get this stuff out of the way. All right, so once you get your product out, they actually give you this cooler bag that your meats come in. It's all zipped up. So let's show you what we got. Oh yeah. So let me get these out and I'll show you here in just a second what these are. And it is still rock hard. So shipping really good, came frozen, nothing's thawed out. And see, it's actually a nice cooler bag you can use for other things. All right, let's go over what I got. So what this is steak cuts. So when they're cutting all their normal steaks up for everybody, there's always going to be some trim work, right? And what this is just steak pieces, and this is 1 pound, and this is Wagyu, and I believe it has the rating of a 6 to 8 for the Wagyu rating, which, if you don't know what that rating is, if you've ever had a prime steak, think beyond prime when it comes to the marbling through it. So a prime would be right under a score of 3 for Wagyu, and these are 6 to 8. I can actually see some fat in there already. And what this is cuts from, I believe it's from their ribeye, New York, and filet. Just small, it's gonna be small cubes. And what I'm doing with this is, on my Blackstone, I'm gonna do a steak bite recipe. These were $15 a piece, so $15 a pound, you know, for better than, you know, prime meat. I think that's actually a screaming deal. It's a good way for you to try some Wagyu on the cheap. You know, if you go buy a Wagyu steak, like a New York or a ribeye, just for a single steak, you're gonna spend 45, 50 bucks, maybe even, you could even be even more than that, depending on the quality of it. But these were 15 bucks a piece, so I got $45 in meat right here. So that'll be 3 meals for my family at 15 bucks a piece. You know, I'm gonna do steak bites with them. You could do a really good stew, you could do chili, but most likely I'll always be doing steak bites so I can control how well they're cooked. Shipping, like I said, was $9.99. Not bad for most of this type stuff, and I did find that coupon for $4 and something off. So I spent right over $50 on 3 pounds of Wagyu beef. So I think that's actually a pretty good deal. All right, guys, hope you got some information out of this. If you were thinking about ordering from Snake River, I'm not affiliated with them. I don't have any discount codes for you or anything like that. Just go on their website. I'll put a link below for you to get there. They have tons of stuff. I know meat's kind of hard to get right now as far as good prices, and if you're going to spend higher prices, you might as well step on up a little bit to some better quality. All right, guys, have a great weekend. And as always, you got any questions or comments, go ahead and put them below. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and always, holler back.